Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a pickled radish only ways. Slice radish paper thin, then mix a warm brine of vinegar, water, sugar, and salt until dissolved. Pack slices into a clean jar, pour brine over, and seal tightly. Let the jar cool to room temperature, then chill it in the fridge. Taste after one day and enjoy crunchy, tangy pickles as a snack or side. I like to keep the ingredient list simple and reliable. Measure equal parts vinegar and water, then add sugar and salt to taste for a lively balance. Choose firm, colorful radishes and slice consistently for even pickling. Toss in optional aromatics like garlic or chili for extra personality. Warm the brine to dissolve sugar and salt, then cool briefly before pouring over the radishes to preserve crunch and color. Small technique choices make a big difference in texture and flavor. Warm the brine only to dissolve sugar and salt, then let it cool slightly before adding to the jar. Slice radishes uniformly and pack them snugly, but gently so they remain crisp. Refrigerated pickles develop flavor over a day and keep well for weeks, so plan portions accordingly and enjoy them on sandwiches, salads, or as a bright snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.